Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace or upgrade our turn signal on my 4Runner. Come on, let's check them out. All right, so we're going to install this Lasfit Switchback LED. This came from my RAV4 because I upgraded the one on the RAV4 with the T3 series Switchback from Lasfit also. So now I'll be putting and trying them on the 4Runner if they work as Switchback. So we'll find out. Yeah, so come on, let's proceed. All right, and so for this, you're just gonna need a 10 millimeter wrench and optional a pry tool. And here's what we're gonna work with. So to access this, it's a little tricky. So we have to access it to the fender liner. So we're gonna remove the fender liner in there. We're just gonna access it with, there's 4 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 here in the top. This is optional, but just to make it easier to bend this, we're gonna remove the one on top, and then we're just gonna try to reach up here to access it. Yeah, for some reason they did not make this one not as user friendly as possible because, yep, it is blocking by this trim in here, this panel, and then the body itself. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Again, 4 bolts, then we're just gonna bend it out. All right. All right, so now we have to unclip this using the pry tool or a screwdriver if you have a screwdriver, but all you have to do is unclip this here. There you go. Yeah, after that, oh, get this too. There you go. So that's how you deal with that. It's easier to have a pry tool. There you go. So I'm just gonna bend this down and we're gonna grab this here. You know what? I think I'm gonna turn my wheel. Okay, now I guess we have more room. Okay, so I'm just putting my gloves on because I don't want to get cut in there. And I don't know. But I think this is doable by just doing it on the top. Removing the side panel or the plastic cover in there. So now let's try this again. I'm holding it already. There you go. Got it. So here you go. So just removing it. There you go. So we got it out. So we're gonna replace it with the LED. So as you can see here, if I can show it to you, somewhere here. Yeah. Alright, so this is the LED from Lasfit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it there first, and then we're gonna test it. if we need to switch it around. So, two hands in here. There you go. Now we're gonna check. We need to switch it. There you go. Now, I'm gonna try it. I saw some light. Yep. The DRL works, or the white one works. Now we're gonna try turn signal. There you go. Yep. So it works. It works. So just put it all together. Just reverse the process and do the same thing on the other end. I'll show you how it looks like when we put it back in the housing. Locked and loaded. All right. So now let me show you how it looks like while it's inside the housing. All right, so for comparison, so this is the LED, the one that we just put on, and then this is the factory on the passenger side. Yep, you can see the difference in there. So as you see, that's the light that it produced on the factory stock bulb, and this is for the LED. It's nice. So here are the lights. So turn signal function, well, I put it into hazard mode. So there's some switchback action in there. As you can see, these are bright. So yeah, as you can see there, they are bright. So yeah. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. If you want to purchase these lights, I'll put the link in the description below. I'm also gonna put the discount code. All right. So again, thank you for watching.